Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Lego bricks is probably one of the most versatile and imaginative building toys ever created, offering endless possibilities for both children and adults to construct anything they can dream up, from simple structures to complex models, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and fine motor development through its interlocking system that has captivated generations worldwide. Number 5. LEGO Ideas Central Perk 21319 Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Inside, you'll find the cafe studio and all 6 main characters, plus Gunther. They come with cool accessories, perfect for recreating your favorite scenes. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's a fantastic gift for any fan of the show, perfect for solo building or sharing with loved ones. It's compatible with your existing LEGO collection. Mix and match bricks and characters to create your own unique stories and models. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. What we like. If you're a die-hard fan of a certain 90s sitcom, this is the ultimate collector's item. It recreates a beloved gathering spot with all the key characters and iconic details. If you love reliving those hilarious moments and want a unique display piece for your home or office, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bricks are life-size and can be used for creative building projects. These large LEGO bricks are great for constructing furniture or decorative items. The quality of the plastic is good, and they are surprisingly sturdy for their size. Number 4. LEGO DUPLO Classic Brick Box 10913. Spark your toddler's creativity with the LEGO DUPLO Classic Brick Box. It's designed for little hands and big imaginations, offering endless building possibilities. This set includes 65 colorful bricks, a toy car, windows, flowers, and number-learning pieces. It's packed with familiar elements to ignite your child's imagination and encourage early learning. Watch as they develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and problem-solving. It's a fun way to promote early development through play. Kids can build anything they can dream up, from a street with a toy car to a small house or a vibrant flower archway. The possibilities for imaginative play are limitless. When playtime is over, all the bricks and pieces can be neatly stored in the included LEGO brick-style toy storage box. Cleanup is a breeze. This classic box of bricks is the perfect birthday or holiday gift for toddlers and preschoolers aged 18 months and up. It encourages creative play and hours of fun. What we like. For the youngest builders just starting their LEGO journey, this set is ideal. The oversized DUPLO bricks are easy for little hands to grasp, promoting fine motor skills and early learning through play. If you're looking for a safe, engaging, and educational toy for toddlers, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The bricks are a great size for building larger structures. They are surprisingly sturdy and hold together well. The interlocking system is just like real LEGO bricks, making them easy to connect and disconnect. Number 3. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features a detailed brick recreation of the glove, complete with all the Infinity Stones. It also includes a sturdy display stand with a descriptive tablet. This golden glove perfectly captures the captivating style seen in Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame. It's an impressive homage to the epic films. With movable fingers and vibrant colors, this recreation of Thanos' gauntlet is a true statement piece. It's designed to be a timeless display item for any fan. This LEGO building set for adults offers an iconic piece for your office or home decor. It's sure to be the center of attention and draw admiring comments. Looking for the perfect gift? These LEGO Marvel collectibles make great Avengers gifts for men, women, or anyone who loves model making. Treat yourself or a fellow enthusiast. What we like. This is for the Marvel enthusiast who appreciates intricate display models. It's a stunning recreation of a powerful artifact from the Avengers saga, complete with all the Infinity Stones. If you're an adult or teen looking for a sophisticated display piece that showcases your love for the MCU, this Gauntlet is a must-have. What people say. The bricks are life-size and can be used to build large structures. They are made of durable plastic and are easy to clean. The set comes with a variety of colors and shapes, allowing for creative building. Number 2. Lego Storage Brick 8, Studs Black. Introducing the Lego Storage Brick 8, Studs Black. This versatile storage solution offers a generous 12.1 L capacity, perfect for keeping toys and accessories organized. Crafted from high-quality PP material, it's built for durability and safety, making it ideal for children aged 3 and up. It's designed to withstand hours of play. Its innovative stackable design helps transform clutter into organized bliss. It fits seamlessly into desk storage, room storage, or even under the bed. This elegant organizer doubles as a versatile toy box or a chic office storage unit. It brings both order and a splash of fun to any environment. Ideal for every room, it's perfect for kids' rooms, kitchen storage, and office spaces. It's a stylish and practical addition to any home. What we like. If your Lego collection is starting to take over your living space, this is the solution you need. Its generous capacity and stackable design make it perfect for organizing any room, from a child's bedroom to an office. If you value both functionality and a touch of Lego charm in your storage, this brick box is an excellent choice. What people say. These are exactly like real Lego bricks, just bigger. They are surprisingly sturdy and hold together well, even when stacked. Number 1. Lego Classic Bricks and Houses 11008. Introducing a fantastic building toy designed to spark your child's imagination. This set is packed with opportunities to develop essential building skills. With simple instructions for 6 different homes, kids can begin building and playing right away. This helps them develop creative free building skills for future designs. This 270-piece set allows for the construction of 6 distinct places to live. Imagine building a family home, a lighthouse, an igloo, a castle, a small house, and a windmill. This educational toy makes an ideal birthday or holiday gift for children ages 4 and up. It's perfect for those interested in constructing houses, windmills, lighthouses, and igloos. This versatile set combines with other Lego Classic Brick sets. This expansion opens up even more creative play and learning possibilities for your child. What we like. This set is perfect for young builders who are just discovering the joy of creating their own worlds. It provides a solid foundation with simple instructions for various houses, encouraging imagination and free building skills. If you have a child aged 4+ who loves to build and design, this is a great starter set to spark their creativity. What people say. The bricks are life-size and made of durable plastic, perfect for building large structures. They connect securely, just like regular Lego bricks, allowing for creative and stable constructions. The set includes a variety of brick types, offering endless possibilities for imaginative play and display. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.